Welcome everyone to my channel. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. So today I will be making a review on this truck. It's like a dump truck, and here's the box. Okay, so I already unpacked it, so I'm gonna show you. This is the remote control that comes with it. Okay, user manual. And a charger, USB charger. So let's take a closer look. We have they did not provide a screwdriver, so this is mine. I'm using mine. So you open this up, and here we see a battery. You can just disconnect it, connect it here, like that, and this way you can charge it. Okay, so we have a switch, on-off switch here. Okay, we turn it on, and as you can see, it's got nice LED lights. So let's just put this away. And here we have, gonna open this up for you. They do not provide batteries for the remote, so I used mine. Maybe some do provide, but it's really up to the seller. So we have a speaker, I guess, here. This is the for dumping, lifting up, and this is for bringing it down. Okay, so what I noticed, I don't know what this is though. I don't know. I have to read instructions. As you can see, there's only two wheels that are spinning. I guess that's just for the look, I guess. So as you can see, it's turning. It's kind of slippery for it, but I would say it's kind of fast if you drive like on the floor, but it may be slower on outside, like on dirt. So let's go ahead and test it, how powerful it can lift. Okay, I'm just gonna show you. The inside here. pretty simple, but very nice. So what I noticed is that you don't wanna push like all the way because it starts clicking. Okay, when it clicks, it may break. Same to when lifting up. You don't wanna go all the way like this. Like, okay, this is all the way, but if I do, it starts clicking. So you don't wanna break that. Okay, so let's go ahead and test it outside. Okay, so let's go. Oops. As you can see, it's already stuck. So okay, I wish it was 4-wheel drive or 6-wheel drive. As you can see, it gets stuck. Okay, so I cleaned the road, and now I'm gonna go ahead and try it now. Okay, so it's not designed for like outside conditions, I guess. But so it's pretty much designed for flat surfaces, okay? Is what I think. So but let's go ahead and test the dump. Let's try this now. Let's try it first. It dumps pretty good. Let's try to load it and then drive. Okay, so I load it. Now it looks like you cannot drive. It's hard. Maybe I overloaded. Okay, but let's go ahead and test the lift. Oh, I cannot say it clicks. It's too much. Okay, so I overloaded. Let's just do. Let's do this much and try to drive. Okay, now it's moving. It's hard. So pretty much it's designed for flat surface, like where there is no carpet. I think it's gonna be hard on the carpet surface too. So let's go ahead and dump. Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you how it drives on the flat surface. Now let's test it loaded. Okay, this one 25 foot is pretty heavy, so for this truck, let's see if we can move it. It can, but it's kind of hard for it. Or maybe the battery needs to be charged. I'm not gonna test the dump because it's not gonna be able to. It's pretty heavy. If I put it like right here, it may dump. Or lift it up. Yeah, here it can. But if I put it like right here, it won't be able to. Maybe here it can. But if I move it closer to the front, say, it cannot. It clicks. So guys, if this video was helpful, like the video and also subscribe to my channel. That's all, guys.